I'm going to solve question 5. Is on probability. The question says that 3 red balls, 5 green balls, and a number of blue balls are put in a sack. One of the balls is picked at random from the sack. If the probability of picking a red ball is 1/6, find the number of blue balls in the sack and the probability of picking a green ball. Now let's assume this is the sack. Now we have red, 3 balls, 3 red balls. We have green from the question, 5 green balls, and then we have blue. We're not told the number of blue, they just said a number. We're not told the amount of blue, they just said a number of blue balls. So let's say X balls, that's an unknown value. Now I want to know the total number of balls. The total number of balls in the bag will be red plus green, red plus green plus blue, which is 3 plus 8, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus x is 8x, 8 plus x balls in total. Now the question says that if the probability of picking a red ball, they've given us the probability of red as 1/6. Now probability simply means number of events. Probability is of anything, of an event means the number of events divided by the total possible outcome, Now, if we go to the first question, the number of blue balls, A, it means probability blue will be number of blue is X from the question all over the total outcome is 8 plus X. The question says the number of blue balls in the sack. They want to know how many blue balls. Now we can't get that with this information. Now we're going to go back to this information. Now we're going to look at probability of red means number of red over the total outcome. Now let me write it well. Probability of red means the number of red balls all over the total outcome. Now here, probability of red, we already know the probability of red at 1/6. So I'm going to plug it here, 1/6. Number of red balls, I'll come here. The number of red balls is 3. I'm going to plug in 3 here. All over the total outcome is 8 plus x. So I'm going to write 8 plus x. So I'm going to cross multiply. So 1 times 8 is 8 plus 1 times x is x equal 6 times 3 is 18. So x is 18 minus 8. So x is 10. So there are x balls 10. So that shows that now the first part, the A part of it says the number of blue balls. From the question, we're told that the number of blue balls, unknown. But now we know that the number of blue balls is 10. 10 blue balls. So there are 10 blue balls. So we sorted out that part. So the next question says that the probability of picking a green ball. Now, we already know the probability of green as 5, but we need to know what the total outcome is. The total outcome is 8 plus x. So we already know what x is. So 8 plus 10. So the total outcome is 18. So if I want to find the probability of picking a green, I'm going to write, this is the B part, probability green will be number of green is 5 over the total outcome is 18. So the probability of getting a green is 5 out of 18. So that's about that. So let's move to the next problem.